Okay, students, in today's video, please look at page 3 in your yellow book. Lesson B, I have a headache. Grammar focus. Simple present. So simple present is talking about every day or every week or usually. And we use simple present when we talk about our health. And we're going to talk about the verb have. Useful language. I have a terrible cold. I have a bad headache. Okay, so these words are describing words, so this means very bad. So you can use these words before cold or before headache. Statements. I have a cold. You have a cold. But students, when we say he, we need to change to has. He has a cold. She has a cold. So practice. A, write. Complete the sentences, use has or have. Okay, so let's just look here for the color picture. So he has a terrible cold. You need to choose has or have. And you can look here, I have. So here you need to write have, H-A-V-E. I have a headache. Number 3, he has. He has a backache. Number 4, you have a fever. Okay, students, so I want you to finish this page. You need to choose has or have. Number 5 is broken arm. Number 6, stomach ache. Number 7, bad cough. Number 8, sore throat. And number 9 is cut. So choose has and have for these sentences. Then take a picture of this page. In your book, page 4. Okay, so we will look here for the color. Talk with a partner. Change the bold. So these are the bold words, the dark. These are the words we will change. Okay, and make conversations. So useful language. What's wrong? What's the matter? And students, please add one more to that list. What's the problem? What's wrong? What's the matter? What's the problem? So we can use, all of these questions are the same, okay? So person A is talking with person B. 2 people are talking. How is she? Not so good. What's wrong? She has a cold. I have tissues. Really? Thanks. So here we have tissues. She has a cold and tissues. These words are for number 1. Now we can talk number 2. How is he? Not so good. What's wrong? She has a headache. I have aspirin. Really? Thanks. Number 3. How are you? How are you? Okay, so for number 3, we need to say, how are you? Because we're using you for this one. How are you? Not so good. What's wrong? I have a cough. I have cough drops. Really? Thanks. So you are giving your friend something to help them because they are sick. Number 4. How is she? Not so good. What's wrong? She has a cut. I have a bandage. Really? Thanks. Number 5. How, so number 5 is you. How are you? Not so good. What's wrong? I have a sprained ankle. I have an ice pack. Really? Thanks. Number 6. How is he? Not so good. What's wrong? He has a backache. I have a heating pad. Really? Thanks. Okay, now we will look at part 3, communicate. Talk with a partner. Ask and answer questions. What's the matter? I have a cold. Use tissues. What's the matter? I have a cough. Take cough drops. Useful language. Use tissues, a bandage, a heating pad, and an ice pack. We use the verb use for these words. And we say take. Take medicine, take aspirin, take vitamin C, take cough drops. So take is with these words, use tissues, use bandage, use a heating pad, use an ice pack. So use is with these words, take is with these words. So students, today I want you to learn the pictures, okay? So here we have tissues, aspirin, cough drops, bandage, ice pack, and heating pad. Please learn these words today and practice these conversations. Students, we have one more thing to do today. Please, in your notebook, I want you to copy more sentences here. We already have on our yellow book, I have a cold, you have a cold. This is one person, you have a cold. He has a cold, she has a cold. Now I want you to add in your notebook, we have colds. So this is many people, 2, 3, 4 people. We have colds. So we have S on colds. You have colds. We also use the word you to talk about many people. And they have colds. Now students, please write down the negative or no statements. I don't have a cold. You don't have a cold. He doesn't have a cold. She doesn't have a cold. We don't have colds. You, plural, many people. You don't have colds. They don't have colds. Students, please write these in your notebook and practice speaking them many times. Remember, he doesn't have, she doesn't have. These two are doesn't. All the other ones are don't have. Picture today of page 3 and send it to me. Have a good day. Bye.